loves, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time on my channel, you are highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome again. So before we start, yeah, I think I already introduced myself. My name is Agatha. Oh my god, I hate intros. Anyway, let's get right into the video. Hello, 1 2. Okay. Let's begin. First, before we begin, I have this stuff. So guys, I don't know if you guys can see the difference between the two brows. Here. You can see, so it actually gets the job done. So here we have a clean slate to start off with. The stuff didn't leave any scar, like there's no injury. You literally won't feel anything on your skin. You won't feel like it's a blade or something cutting your skin, but it's getting the job done. That's just the amazing thing about this stuff. And I think what's on the name? Well, it's WAHL, then wet/dry, and I think that means you can use it both wet and dry situation. I think that's what it means. I don't know. So next we're going to start off with brows. I want to start off with brows today. Usually I start with my skin, but in this situation I want to start off with brow. I feel like doing something different for my eyes, different from what I usually do. I usually play safe and always go for, you know, nude looks and normal eyeshadow looks, but today I'm just feeling different, so I feel I should do something different. I'm using this top faced eyebrow pencil. I don't know, eyebrow pencil. It's like a marker, yeah? It has this trim out thing going on here. Yeah, so, and I also have this MAC eyebrow pencil. So that's what I'm basically going to be using for this. Pretty easy to draw. Mostly now I have shaping my brows. It's very easy to draw my brows. I have this concealer brush from MAC. This is MAC 212. So yeah, I think this base is good enough to start our eyeshadow. I'm going to conceal the top, but not yet. This is Ezekiel and Favor eyeshadow palettes. My lens too bright. Oh, but yeah, this is how it looks inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. This other palette from Lydia Stanley and Ezekiel is a collaboration palette, and this palette from Ezekiel and Favor, both collaboration palettes with Ezekiel. Creating a look I literally just saw on Instagram. I'm going to pack this on first. It's like the shade Injideka in the palette is a dark brown. I've used it before, the video I uploaded before. So yes, after Isoken, we're going to be using a very light shade to buff that out. So I think I should use umber mixed with white truffle. So now time for the main work. Let's cut the crease. We're going to be cutting my crease. I am going to be cutting my crease. I have my Vaseline here. I'm going to use my Vaseline to cut out the crease to clean off that place. So I want my eyeshadow popping. So I'm just going to use my Vaseline first. So I'm going in the shade Risky. Risky, yes, it's very risky. So next I'm just adding the dark black eyeshadow Risky. Done. So it has like a reflection of green, kind of. Like a reflection of green, kind of. I don't know if it's obvious there on the camera. So I'll just go ahead and pop on my lashes. My MAC Fix spray. Just fix my face. So loves, here's the finished look. I hope you like it. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and see you in my next video. Before we finish this video or before we end this video, cheers. Let's drink to scrub that. See you and cheers.